two deadliest, some of the most venomous snakes of India fighting with each other. Cobra versus Viper, Venom versus Venom. Who will win? Stick till the end of the video to know who's stronger. With that out of the way, this is Swanand back with another video and you're watching Naturalist Diaries. Wildlife is full of wonders. Sometimes it is surreal, tranquil, peaceful, and sometimes it is a full-fledged battle royale. Snakes are some of the fiercest creatures on the planet and definitely some of the deadliest as well. Be it the wrath they havoc on their prey or their highly potent venom, these creatures are not to be trifled with. It was the month of December. The days were cool and the skies were clear. I was out on a walk when I heard a rustling sound in the grass. Upon closer look, I figured there was a snake struggling to catch a hold of something. After a couple of minutes, I had a clear picture of the snake's body and it happens to be a spectacled cobra, pretty common species in India, and after many attempts, I was able to see what it had caught in its jaws, and to my surprise, it was a Russell's Viper. Now let me explain my excitement here. This is what I would consider an uncommon phenomenon, since I haven't witnessed anything quite like this before. The spectacled cobra and Russell's Viper, along with common krait and the Soscare viper, are the big four snakes of India. Here, big does not count as big in size, but are the reason behind the highest rate of medically significant snake bite cases in India. Also, the antivenom created in India are from the venom of these four snakes. So you can understand why I got excited here. It was like watching your favorite wrestlers blow fists with each other. On one hand, we have the spectacled cobra with its massive size. It may grow as long as 7 feet and can also weigh over 3 kilograms. And on the other hand, we have the nocturnal Russell's Viper. Although it is smaller in size than the cobra, it has the longest fangs than any venomous snake in India, and the venom which is much more potent than that of cobra. Some reports also suggest that over 40% of the snake bites in India are caused by this snake. By the way, the common misconception or confusion rather that I have come across about snakes is that they are poisonous, which is not the right term to use as it is venom that the snakes have and not poison. That being said, the only exception to this is a beautiful snake called red-necked keelback. It is the only snake in the world that is not only venomous but also poisonous. The difference, to be put simply, is that poison is a toxin that needs to be inhaled, ingested or swallowed, whereas venom in case of snakes is nothing but a highly modified saliva that is also used for digestion. This toxin needs to be injected and has to come in contact with blood for it to be dangerous. So needless to say, this battle is no less than a thrill to watch. And as I was watching it, both the snakes did bite each other quite a few times, with the viper biting the cobra with remarkable speeds, something that is reminiscent of this snake. The cobra had the portion of its abdomen in its jaws, refusing to let go. You can also see the viper bleeding out from the scales over here. Judging by the position that I found both the snakes in, it was clear who was hunting and who got hunted. Cobras are commonly known to prey on other snakes. The king cobras, even though not being a true cobra, predominantly preys off the other snake. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. What happens next? Does the viper succumb to death, or does the cobra succumb to the viper's highly potent venom? Or will both of them die? Please note that in this case, I'm only considering what happened that day in front of me. After a half an hour of struggle, the cobra let go of the viper's abdomen and straight up went to its head. And that was it for the viper. Its head was completely being swallowed. Now about the question whether the cobra will survive after all of those bites or not. You see, cobras are resilient creatures through and through. They possess terrific hunting skills. However, they are not immune to the venom of other snake species. Even though in one-on-one combat, the cobras are clear winners, but it is difficult to say whether this particular cobra survived after this battle or not. So that was the video, guys. Let us know in the comment section below what do you think of this style of videos, and if you wish to see more such content, subscribe to the channel.